Okay, so we're being asked to write a quadratic for these two roots. I'm going to use the shortcut because, well, it's a shortcut. So I'm going to figure out what the sum of the two roots is and what the product of the two roots is, and then use that to help me write my equation. So the sum of the two roots, well, we add 4i and negative 4i, we get 0. The product of the two roots, when you multiply 4i times negative 4i, you get negative 16i squared, which is really negative 16 times negative 1, which is positive 16. So to write our equation, it's going to be y equals x squared minus whatever the sum is times x. So it's the sum, that's that number, times x. And then plus the product. Okay, so that's going to look like this. Y equals x squared. Okay, so minus the sum, well, sum 0. So 0 times x is just 0. So we don't need to write that. And then plus the product, so add 16, and then that's your equation.